boy fresh to the sauce. In a say, I love money. I'm not gonna lie. I love money so much. Abada is fine, but not for Ibanku. If my husband should wear Abada and come for my wedding, I'm not going to give him the wine.
The Igbo Tag by Chidera Giselle.
Pause. So, first of all, let's do things the official way before we start all the ginger, because I am here as Chidera Ezigbote Igbo. Iwatago, yeah. So, hey people, what's popping? Kilo shele, again name, let's go there. Okay, wonderful people, beautiful people. It is your favorite atilogwu, your favorite aqua, your favorite egovin, your favorite oledo, Chidera Giselle on the microphone. If you're new to my channel, I am Chidera Giselle, a Nigerian lifestyle vlogger living in Owerri. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my Nigerian Igbo girl tag. Hey, Jesus, I'm just starting the video and I'm panting like this, but guys, this video is gonna be fun. This video is gonna be everything. If you have been saying that there is a vibe, wait though, is as if this mannequin is taking attention. Should I remove this cloth on this mannequin? No, there's no need. Let's continue. Just focus on me. I'm the living being here. Yeah, so if you have been saying that there is a vibe, there has energy, there is this, there is that, you have been mistaken. After this video, you're gonna say that Dera's vibe is out of this world. Dera's vibe, hey. Let's not talk too much. All the can be video suwi Igbo kita, because in here with Nigerian Igbo girl tag and equating homina and subeke. Now this video, Iwatago, yeah. So I'm going to be translating anything I say in Igbo for anybody who is not Igbo. You're going to enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So the first question here is, where are you from? If you have been watching my channel for long, if you have been on this channel since, then you would know that I am from Imo State, a village called Amaruru in Osu local government in Olu senatorial zone, Imo State. But do you know what? I don't want you to refer to me as an Imo girl. You know what I want you to call me? Let me tell you. Anywhere else they call me Oyibo. Makana Oyibo. Yeme Iwamaka. Yeah, so when you see me, don't call me an Imo girl. You know why you're gonna call me Oyibo? Because Igbo is one, and that is why I'm going to be playing this song by Flavour and Biggie Igba. Umuobiligbo niile, let's come together na nyincha wofum. So we are one. Yeah, we are one. So it's somehow for me to say I'm from Imo State. I am Igbo is that I am Igbo. Yeah, so let's move to the next question. Yeah, so the next question I have here for me is, what is your Igbo name? Chidera ya, Ioderegere, Chikuroku ya, Iokurudere, Chidera ya. What the Lord my God has written, it must come to pass. What the Lord my God has written, it must come to pass. So my Igbo name is Chidera. Yeah, Chidera. What God has written is written. Nobody can change it. If you like, be man. If you like, be woman. If you like, be from the earth, be from the sea. What God has written is written, and it must surely come to pass. So that is my Igbo name. My best Igbo food. I love abacha. I love ubagwarago. I love ukwa. I love ofoha. I love ofe egusi. Although egusi is not just for Igbo, but I love ofe egusi. I love ofowere. That is why I am working hard, so that I can have money to be eating ofowere whenever I feel like eating ofowere. Iwatago? Yeah. So is there any other Igbo food I'm forgetting? Yeah, I love anything Igbo. So the next question here is, worst Igbo food? I am sorry. Once it is Igbo, I don't hate it. It can't be my worst. Although I don't really like onugbo soup. but as long as it is Igbo, as long as the origin is Igbo, ana m eri. So I don't have any worst Igbo food. Anything Igbo is acceptable by me. So the next question is the most Igbo place you have visited. Well, if you are talking about states, I'm going to be saying it's Imo State. Yeah, my secondary school was in Imo State and everything. But if you want to talk about city, then you can boldly call me Adowerele. Yeah, so misconception about Igbo people. Should I say that money part is not a misconception. Yeah, we proudly love money. I love money. I'm not gonna lie. I love money so much, and that is my motivation in life. Even if everybody loves money and they want to push it on Igbo people, fine, it's cool. You cannot love money, but if you don't love money, I can drop my account number. You can send me a message on Instagram or email, wherever, and I'm gonna send my account number to you if you don't love money, because I love money so much. And another thing I'll say is a misconception is people feel Igbo people are not accommodating, but I'm just going to tell you, as an Igbo girl that's lived in Igbo land and has seen people from other tribes being in Igbo land, Igbo people are very, very accommodating. We are so accommodating. Just that, let me just stop there, but we are accommodating. That's one thing. What I love about the Igbo tribe. Hey, so many things. See, do you want me to tell you the truth? Do you want you to tell me one thing about me? One thing about me is that I feel the best thing God did for me, like one of the best things God did for me in this life, is making me Igbo. Like, no offense, I am so happy to be Igbo. So I love everything about Igbo, about the Igbo tribe. Is it our culture? Hey, as I said culture now, I just remembered Flavour and Umuobiligbo song. So I want to dance to culture first before I continue telling you what I actually love about being Igbo. Yeah, so where is culture? Hey, can you hear it? Yeah. Because I want to jolly. Ukuwanyi melunyalu moto kavaboni. Oya massive for prayers. You need the money, but I'm going to carry a sima bobby bullet baggy. Hey! As I was saying, I love the Igbo culture so much. Then I love our attire. Like, any Igbo attire is acceptable by me. It's fine by me. And I'm always so angry when I see Igbo men going for their weddings and they are putting on agbada. Like, it is so insulting to our culture. Yeah, agbada is a very beautiful attire. Like, I love the Yoruba attire too. I love their female ashoke and their agbada and everything. I love it. But it's okay for you to wear it for any other function apart from your traditional marriage. It is called your Igbo traditional marriage, your Igbanku. So you're supposed to wear something. Like, I'm just passing a message across. If you're planning to wear agbada for your trad or whatever, please change it. If you don't have anything to sew isiagu top. Can't you see this my cloth? Can't you see how fine it is? Like, can't you see how attractive I look with it? They have black isiagu, they have red isiagu, they have green isiagu, they have blue isiagu, they have the one that is brown that looks like gold. So you can go with so many colors. If your wife is wearing orange and you do not see orange isiagu, you can wear this black one that has a touch of orange. And if you don't want to wear isiagu, you wear that normal shirt they usually wear, that echefunami hana wear. Igbo cap. All our ichie, also cap, all those our hand fans, everything. Itufuoya, ebin eni banku, ijejiri agbada, odihonu mana. Agbada is fine, but not for Igbanku. And imagine how it will look if you have to do a trad, and if you have to do your trad and your wife is wearing ashoke, she's wearing the ashoke. How are you going to feel? Like, if my husband should wear agbada and come for my wedding, I'm not going to give him the wine. Don't mind me, but seriously, I'm actually going to warn whoever I'm going to marry. Don't wear agbada and come and marry me. I love the fact that Igbos are so industrious. Igbo people are not afraid of taking risk. Yeah, Igbo people know they fear to take risk. Anywhere you go in this world and you don't see Igbo people, just know that that place is not habitable. Is a yamayama place, which is why I so much love this song by Flavour and Big Igbo called Umuobiligbo. So let me play it. Where you go, anywhere you go, if you no see Igbo man, you one day give cha ayo. Obodo silike na ndi Igbo na abadi. Ugochukwu nyela anyị ama. Ụmụ Igbo niile, let's come together na anyị ncha bụ ofu. Chukwu bụ ike anyị o, Chukwu bụ ike anyị o. So the next question is, what you don't like about being Igbo? One thing I don't really like, they used to do it in, like when we were growing up, so many parents did not want to speak Igbo to their children. They wanted their children to speak only English so that they will be polished, so that they'll look like Umazi abroad. You understand what I'm saying? Like, it was so bad that if you look at some people in my generation now, they can't speak Igbo. Half maybe Igbo. They'll be like, wow, so you know how to speak Igbo? Yes, I know how to speak Igbo because I am an Igbo girl. It is my identity, it is my culture. If I'm speaking English now, una no Igbo accent and all of that, I will not be ashamed of it. I'll be so proud of it because I studied English in the university and we are made to know that our first language is our mother tongue. And if your mother tongue is so prominent in your foreign language or your borrowed language, then it is not a problem. So if I am speaking now and I am speaking like this, I don't have any issues with it because Igbo. And this is why I still want to continue playing this song by Big Igbo and Flavour. Although I may not dance to it now, I want to keep on playing it so you guys will listen to it. Odinedi mere asusa anyi jana oyibo butanwa osuwalu yoyibo oyibo amaka mana obula asusa anyi o. Are you open to marrying from another tribe? Actually, I don't even know how to answer this question. Anyways, if I end up with an Igbo man, I'm actually going to be so happy. Like, I don't have issues, I don't discriminate. I believe you can marry from Canada, Mexico, Hausa, Yoruba, Edo, whatever tribe. But if I end up with an Igbo man, I'm going to be super happy. Do you know why? I love traveling to the village. I love our culture so much. I want my child to be full-fledged Igbo and all of that. But like they say, you don't know where love can take you. You don't know where fortune can take you. You don't know where destiny can take you. But I'ma be super happy. I'm going to be super happy if I end up with an Igbo man. It means that I'm gonna keep on pushing out the culture. But even if I marry someone from another tribe, I'll still be pushing the culture out. Yeah, so my favorite Igbo celebrity. Can you guess, from all the songs I've been playing in this video, can you guess who my favorite Igbo celebrity is? My favorite Igbo celebrity is Flavour one day. Hey, I love Flavour so much. So much. Like, my number one desire is for Flavour to sing at my trad. Although I don't know whether it's going to be possible, but if you ask me, like, my dream wedding is going to be a wedding with Flavour singing. I love Genevieve Nnaji, I love phyno. I love many of them. I love Ababana. Yeah, I love him so much. His songs always hit a special chord in my heart, which is why I'm actually going to play one of his songs now. If I had the opportunity to change my tribe, would I change my tribe? Please, if you have that kind of opportunity, don't bring it for me because I ain't changing anything. I am Igbo forever. Igbo by blood, Igbo by God, and Igbo forever. Yeah, so my favorite Igbo song. Yeah, my favorite Igbo song. Any song by Flavour. Like, any song where Flavour sing be my favorite. Have you ever been mistaken for another tribe? No, never, ever. Before I even open my mouth and say that I'm an Igbo girl, it's already written all over me. And I think I have exhausted all these questions. Yeah, I think I've exhausted all of them. But this video is not gonna be complete if I don't vibe to this beautiful jam by phyno. Oh, muka wata ne bonu. Cause I pull up in the motom ja solo. I don't talk maka woka de zono. the scene may walk. Hey, phyno highway, phyno highway, KYZ highway, KYZ highway, Kumaka highway. We're gonna come. Is it gonna streets and not come? So guys, thank you so much for all your love and support. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, if you have been an OG and you love this video, do give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell someone grandmadu, call grandmadu, call grandmadu, call grandmadu maka Chidera Giselle on the microphone. And Nike konyewanyi agama funu na videos game. For now, bye. Kodinu ahumunu nanya.